Digital nomads, the future of work. What is a digital nomad? This is a term we hear more and more nowadays, yet not everyone is familiar with its meaning. A digital nomad is a person who works remotely using the internet and travels to different places, hence the term nomad. They use technology to carry out their work while experiencing various cultures around the world. This lifestyle is increasingly becoming popular due to advances in technology and a shift in work attitudes. Digital nomads typically perform jobs that can be done online. They might be freelancers, online entrepreneurs, or employees of companies that allow remote work. They can do tasks like programming, writing, designing, consulting, teaching, and many more. With a laptop and a reliable internet connection, digital nomads can work from anywhere, be it a cozy cafe in Paris, a beach in Bali, or even a mountain cabin in Canada. The digital nomad lifestyle has several attractive aspects. The main one is the freedom to choose when and where to work. This means digital nomads can manage their time and have a flexible schedule. If they wish to take a break and explore a city, they can do so without asking for time off. It also allows them to travel and experience different cultures, cuisines, and languages. The lifestyle promotes a sense of adventure and a break from the traditional 9-to-5 work routine. However, this lifestyle also has its challenges. Constant travel can be tiring and stressful. It can also be difficult to maintain relationships when you're always on the move. Also, not all places have reliable internet, which can hinder work. In addition, nomads often need to handle visas and other legal aspects of living in different countries. It's not always a walk in the park, but for many the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. Despite these challenges, digital nomadism is becoming more and more popular. Many people, especially younger generations, are attracted to the freedom and flexibility it offers. Companies are also adapting to this trend by offering more remote work opportunities. There are various resources and communities to help digital nomads. Websites like Nomad List provide information on the best cities for digital nomads, taking into account factors like cost of living, internet speed, and safety. There are also online communities where digital nomads can share experiences, advice, and opportunities. In conclusion, being a digital nomad is a unique way of working and living. It blends work with travel, providing a sense of freedom and adventure. However, it also presents its own challenges. As the world becomes more digital, it will be interesting to see how this trend develops. For many, digital nomadism is not just a passing fad, but a glimpse into the future of work.